Hey guys, I'm Katchel. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. Okay, first I'll come here. Let ABC be an equilateral triangle with a side length A. Let capital R and small r denote the radii of the circumcircle and the incircle of triangle ABC respectively. Then, as a function of A, the ratio of R and R will be capital R divided by small r, radius of the circumcircle by incircle is equal to what they are asking. Like it will strictly it's increasing function or a decreasing function, or will not increase or decrease. It will be a constant. It will increase till 1, after 1 will decrease. We are going to find that. Okay, in this 4, which is the correct option. First you will draw a equilateral triangle. This is not equilateral. Wait, here's the star. Okay. First you will draw an equilateral triangle. If it is equilateral, then only I can show the no. Wait, me. Think this as an equilateral triangle. This is the best I can draw, I believe. But it's very small, no? I will try it a little bit bigger. Okay, now what they told, the length of, okay, let R and R denote the radius of the circumcircle in circle. Okay, then this will be a center point. It's an equilateral triangle, that means all the centers will be at this same point. Okay, so this is very bad, no? But let's see if I can't draw that much good circles like this. You keep it like something like this. Okay, this is the circumcircle. Think like that. This is the incircle. Okay. This has to think like that. I know it's not good, but I can't do anything. Please forgive me. Now, I'll give you center point little bit in the center. I put that's the center point now. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, I'll draw its radius. What is this? Small r. Okay. What is the? This should come perpendicularly. Okay, but it's not coming. Wait. This also perpendicular. This also perpendicular. This also r. Okay. They both are perpendicular because this is the tangent of the circle. Okay, I'll draw side lengths now. I am not doing anything. A, B, C. Okay, all lengths are A. Okay, see in this what you can see means this both will be right angled. Why I am telling they both are right angled means why I am telling means see, because the BC is tangent to this circle, that means what, incircle. The BC is tangent to incircle. BC is tangent to incircle, and the same thing AC is tangent to the same incircle. Because of that, in any circle, this is a little bit better. If I am drawing any tangent, then from its center point, if you connect the tangent means it will be always perpendicular. Okay, I'll draw here 90. Okay, this is also 90, 90. Okay, it will be there. Let it be. Now I know this is 60, and I know that what is this? This is the radius of the circumcircle, which is denoted by capital R. They given that. So I'll keep that like that. This angle is 60. Okay. Now what I will do? This is 90. This is 90. This is 60. Okay. What is this? That is 120. Okay. Now I can what I can do. Okay. See this. What is this? A kite. Okay. This is a kite. I'll draw that kite here. This length is a by 2, okay, because it's the median, altitude, angle, bisector, everything if you do it like this, okay, and this is because it's an equilateral angle, okay, it is everything. What is this? A by 2, R, okay, and what this is capital R. That means radius of the circumcircle in circle. Now I know this is 120. I believe that's 120. Okay, 120 plus 60, 180. 90 plus 90, 120. Sorry, 180. So 180 plus 180, 360. So this 120, 90, 90. This looks like a square now, but it's not square. Okay, this is a kite. Okay. Now what? See, in the, like, if I'm for any value of a, if I'm keeping means like think if for a like I'll give some like a is equal to something like some value like what I'll do, x. Okay, for a if I'm keeping some value of x, then what I'll have this, then what some length will differ like this, okay, and then what next I'll give me next time giving that a is equal to something as y. Okay, now when you see, then if I'm giving y, then also like the r, the small r and capital R value will change, but they will not change like that, they will change by constant, because x by y is what? X by y is the constant. Okay, always it will be not the same constant. Like if you take another length as a is equal to z, means then x by z will be another constant. We will keep that c1 like that. Okay, so what they will be like in the with how I can tell. They will be like in a ratio way they will go. So and you can tell that this is like if with length x I am drawing what a kite, and with length y I can draw, if I am drawing kite, then they both are similar because all the angles are same. So when I am dividing means then I will get a constant when I am doing this and this. So answer is C. Okay, and there is another way also there to prove this. Okay, I will show you the another way also. For that I need space, so I will rub this. Okay, and this also I will draw. I think I will draw this diagram again. Okay, now there's another way. What does that way means? Again I am going to draw the same diagram. think this as an equilateral triangle, okay, not an isosceles, equilateral. Why contrast night circles? Think that as a in circle and think this as a circumcircle. Okay, I know that this whole length is A, B, C. Okay, now this will be center point. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am just going to draw like this perpendicular line, this R. Okay, now from this point only I will draw one line like this. What is this? Capital R. Okay, this length is capital R. I will draw like this one line. So from here to here capital R, from here to here small r. And I know that means what? I have written R plus R is equal to altitude, but in equilateral triangle altitude and median both are same, so I can consider that's median. So what is the median of an equilateral triangle? You can use trigonometry, it's not a problem. I think answer will come root 3 by 2a, opposite by adjacent. Yes, root 3 by 2a. I believe that's the answer. So this will be equal to root 3 by 2a. Okay, but I will need another equation also now to find like R, this capital R and small r in terms of a. So for that what I will do means, see, there's another in triangles, it's not only in equilateral, it will work for any triangle. Okay, in one, okay, think, just looking like altitude, it can be any triangle, for any triangle, like it can be isosceles, equilateral, scale, and anything. It can be acute angle, obtuse angle. What is the next? Right angle. For that also will work. What is it means? The median. Okay, think this as a median. Okay, and think this also the second median. Okay, then in this what is happening means, if this is x, this is 2x. Okay, if this is x means this is 2x, the same thing. So I'll keep that r is equal to x, that means not 2r, capital R is equal to 2x. Okay, I think you can see that this is 2x, this is x. Okay, then feel like this second, then means what? So that means what? 2r is equal to r. Okay, this much only for us. This is our first equation, this is our second equation, which now I can directly do. Okay, see, now when 2r is equal to r, so for this r I can substitute 2r. So I'll get that 2r plus r is equal to root 3 by 2a. So 3r is equal to root 3 by 2a. R is equal to root 3, not here, root 3 by 6a. Okay, and what I know other than that, r is equal to root 3 by 6a. Okay, now I know that r is equal to root 3 by 6a, and then now I can find what is capital R also. Okay, so what is that? Capital R is equal to root 3 by 2a minus root 3 by 6a. Now what is this? LCM is 6. So multiply by 3 and 3. So what is 3 root 3a minus root 3a is equal to 2 root 3a. R is equal to 2 root 3a by 6. then this and this will get cancelled, this is equal to 3. So now I know that r is equal to root 3a by 3, sorry, capital R. That means what? Radius of the circumcircle is equal to what? Root 3a by 3. Next, smaller. That means what is the smaller? Radius of the incircle, which equal incircle found that now. Incircle root 3 by a into 6. Sorry, root 3 by 6 into a. Okay. Now what they asked? R by r value. They asked this value. Now it's very easy to find. What is r by r? R by r is capital R, which is equal to root 3a by 3 all divided by root 3a by 6. This will go here, this will go here. Am I right? After all, do every cancellation, you will get answer as 2. That means r by r is 2. 2 is what? It's a constant. That means it will remain a constant only, and that constant is 2. It's not okay. I'll keep it triangle. That's nice. Okay. That's it. Thanks for watching.